These 3D AI wings have been getting quite popular on social media, where users are creating an image of themselves and are adding a pair of wings and the name to it. So let me show you how to create these types of images using AI prompts and AI image creator. So using the prompt, you can create the same style of AI photos for your social media accounts. It's available for male and female audiences. So let's begin. So in the description section of this video, you'll see a Google Drive link. Go ahead and click on it and visit it, and you'll come to this Google Doc where you can copy the prompt to create these types of 3D AI wing images. So scroll through this document and copy the prompt you want to create. So as you can see, for the boy, you've got shirt, hoodie, and a cap boy. And for the girl, you've got one prompt down below. Next, you'll need to open Safari. In Google, search for Bing Image Editor. So this is the Bing Image Editor from Microsoft. Make sure you're signed in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one, as it is completely free. Now in the prompt section, go ahead and paste the prompt which you've copied from the Google Doc link which I've shared in the description. After pasting it, here you'll need to make 3 changes to the prompt. So the first one is your clothes. So you can change this to what clothes you like. Next, you want to change your name here. And lastly, you want to change the neon light color for your wings. So you can choose gold, silver, pink, blue, and many other choices. Now once you're ready, go ahead and tap on create and give it some time. You will then get the result down below with all the images which have been created for you. Tap on any of them to review it and long press to save it. Each time you get 4 images created, so you get a variety of AI images. Now if you're a female, then let's try creating one for you. Again, go back to that Google Drive link in the video description. Scroll all the way down until you come to the girl section. Copy the prompt from the girl section. Go back to your Bing Image Editor. Make sure you're signed in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one, as it is completely free. Now in the prompt, go ahead and paste the prompt which you copied from that Google Drive link. After pasting it, you need to make 3 changes to the prompt. So you change your clothes you're wearing, your name, and the neon light color. You can also add other descriptions like sunglasses, or maybe a cap, or maybe a necklace. This is entirely up to you. Once you're ready, then tap on create and give it some time. Once it creates for you, you can tap on the images to review it. To save the images, just long press on it and then tap on save it to the camera roll. And there you go. That is how simple it is to create these 3D AI wing images on your phone for your social media accounts. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.